Okay, then next, after pouring the colors in the cups, you want to get your pouring medium. If it says shake well, shake well. Does this shake well? It says do not shake medium, rather stir to prevent bubbles. So, I did shake it, but the ratio I'm doing is about a 1-to-1. I'm not a scientist, so it's definitely not going to be exactly 1-to-1. And then we're going to give it a stir. So it's quite a nice, not too liquidy, although I've never done this before. That does look a little bit liquidy for my liking, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So I'll speed it up rather. See why you wear gloves, and you shouldn't be doing it in an area where you don't want it to spill. So I shouldn't be doing it in the kitchen. But anyway. And the white's quite heavy, even though this is a different brand. From what I have been watching on the other YouTube videos, the white is generally quite a heavy color, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm going to do a flip pour. It becomes quite fancy with the words. Oh, actually, you know what? I'm going to check if I got a filter rather. I meant a funnel, not a filter. Okay, chaps. Well, here goes. Oh, also, sure. You see, I'm a little all befuddled in the head right now. Most important thing is to have a nice gun, heating gun, which I bought today, and the stuff, which is supposed to be the magic ingredient in this project, is the silicone, the thing that makes the cells. Okay, does this thing work? I have got actually the hairdryer there, but okay, liquid silicone. You really need just, a touch of this stuff from what I've seen, and it doesn't come with a dropper, so I'll just use a syringe. So you literally just need to, there was 2 drops, so I might as well keep them all 2 drops. Drop. Drop. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So mix. Okay, I'm going to change the camera so you people can maybe see what goes down. Change the water bowl. Okay, maybe I should bring it more over. If you have to see how that's, yeah, there's the water bowl. Okay, a little bit of a shadow. I don't want shadow. I'll crop this all out, maybe, maybe not. Okay. Okay, quite nervous. There, so I'm gonna pour a little bit of white. Well, that was quite a lot. And orange, blue, it's bronze, which is quite stunning, I must say. Going all over my table. Thank goodness it's just acrylic and black. And then, I don't know, maybe we can just play and see afterwards what we can do with the rest, if we can add and stuff like that. Okay, I can feel that white's heavy, and it's already started. Whoops. I was bored. Oh, look at that. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, maybe I must stop with these ugly splodges. And then, sorry, my silence. Okay, it was stunning when it came out, and then, yeah, the cells kind of, I think I should have just left them. But what I am going to try to do, just because this is an experiment, is drop some, sorry, drop some silicone on. And I want to see, and also if I add more to the white, I think I could get too carried away, but that's usually, okay, lesson I've learned is you need a longer cord. I want to try something. Where I'm going to add, I don't know if I should wait for it to dry. Or if I should maybe, yeah, well, let's go, if not, why not? Wear an apron, otherwise you get, there's so many different ways of doing this. Okay, well, that was definitely a no-go, but yeah, at least I can still see cells are coming, which is where I eventually want to get to. So yeah, don't know if I'm upside down, but not for today.